Chief Executive Member ka Jainte Hills Autonomous District Council ubat Thombor Shiwan haga khat pratrik ber ulawan ra ya kamang tingka kabuduna ni ka deficit budget ka bakhat san point Henry pu ar klur tingka na kabenta usnam mang tingka arja arpun rio arja arpun nyau kani kamang tingka menta usnam la antat baka jingyo kanlong arspa khandai pho lai klur Henry pho saw lak saw pho ar hajar kat baka jing pendut kalong Laispa khandai klur arpho riolak prapho hajar sanspa. Ubat thombor ula pentip yakani habawan ra yakamang tingka singi ningkong jong ka jingshong dorbar ka council. CM ula ong baka jingduna mang tingka ka bamenta kalami khamtam na marki katu kat ni ka jing pendun ki badan kam bat ki bamla ban kyar kum ka jinggen tiyo ya ka jing siyo baman la usnam shakinong trei ne ka increment ka jing kiyo jong kinong shim pension bat kilong yeng jong kinong shim pension. Ula ban rap ru baka jing pendut kalong ka badan kam ru ban pen klan ya ka jing trei kam jong kitanat bapher ban penthikna ya ka jing a jing shakri ka bapaka. CM ulay thu ru baka council kala pendap ya ka jinglum jingkhen batlala ru hakaban IT ki annual account shaka accountant general audit Meghalaya Shlong hadu usnam arja arpasaw arja pesan. Ulapun pau ru baka council kala pelat ya ka jing siyo jong ka wan ka balai bat ka bakhat du jong ka 4% ka badang sa jong ka arrear revised pay bat ka pension jong ki MDC ki ex MDC ki nong tre ka council kinong yo pension bat kilong yeng babam pension da kani ya ka jing siyo balapan kala thamai lapan khut pura nakapisa jong ka council hi hakas nam mang tingka arja arpasan do arja punrio ubat thombor ulapan tip balapan trekam ya ka pension book nakabenta kinong shim pension bat kilong yeng bam pension ringkat ka jing batha ban panthamai ya ki manla ka shiteng snam bat ban mi hakmat ka pension disbursing authority omduna ya ka RCN ha ka shisnam ha ubra jilio bat no pra shu layat hu ru balaple pat ba ya ka yeng office jong ka tanat taxation tanat clearian ka badan kinong tre ki bapura Ulapan tip ru balapan mi ya ka phase 1 notification jong ki kur hapo upur usam jong ka Jainte Hills Autonomous District ki badai hok banyo ya ka Sernat Scheduled Tribe ubat thombor ulapan tip baha uni usnam arja apasan do arja apun rio like lor san pholak la yo link ba ka Digital India Land Records Modernization Program DILRMP naka scheme tied but ki United Grant ka council kalapan terekam haduk sapu pratligi scheme nani project hakaleng ke East Jainte Hills but West Jainte Hills ki bakan thop ya ki surok ki telong di ki pung ki jingker kenro ki pan khana pat ba ki check dam ki jaka ya lek kai ki lenti yai ki jan ki ying school but ki community hall ulapan tip baka jing thaw ya ka district fund rules jong ka Jainte Hills Autonomous District Council juai kala dap batla khami lenti bala banwanra ha ka dorbar liur ha ubnai kala lingkan hadien bala yo ya ka jing manjor na ulan ula benrap ru on le digitalization ya barok ki cloud bat ki jaka balongkum ki cloud ki bahap hapo ka jingpej jong ka district council haringkat ka working scheme thamai jong ka tanat kam cloud na ka benta sansnem ka batre kam na du usnam arja arprio hadu arja arpnyo kadang ya chkaman ula pentip ru baka Jainte Hills Autonomous District Council service rules khat khandai spa prapuway kadang don ha ka jing bishar benya
Today I stand before you in this August House to present the budget of the Jainte Hills Autonomous Council for the financial year 2026 to 2027, which are to be credited to or is to be made from the district fund of this district council as laid down in Rule 109 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous State Constitution of the Council Rules 1951 as adopted and amended by this Council. At the very outset, before the August House read the proposed budget, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Almighty God for granting us the knowledge and wisdom to run the administration of this council despite various challenges and difficulties. This budget reflects our commitment to responsible financial management, sustainable development for the welfare of our people in both East and West Dainty Hill District, and we aim to use our resources wisely for the benefit of all. Drawing the attention of the August House, I am to mention that the proposed budget estimate for the ensuing financial year 26-27 bears an estimated receipt of rupees 293 crore 64 lakh 42,000 only, as against the estimated expenditure of rupees 309 26 lakh 80,500 only, reflecting a deficit of rupees 15 crore 62 lakh 38,500 only. The detailed actual receipt and actual expenditure may be verified from the actual column of 2024-25 of the proposed budget of 26 and 27. For clarification of the House, the present budget deficit has arisen mainly due to the certain expenditure which are necessary and unavoidable, like increasing in annual increment of pay and allowance of the employees, pensioners, and family pension holders, and also expenditure involved for the purpose of strengthening the work of various departments of the Council with the objective to ensure efficiency, competency, and transparency. Amidst the financial hardship, the Executive Committee, with the cooperation of the Honourable Member of this House, serve and staff of the Council, have achieved some significant milestones as highlighted below. Number one, annual account. Our Council have completed up to date compiling and submission of annual account to Accountant General Audit Makalia Shillong, that is still the year 2024 and 25. Number two, the Council has released the third and final installment payment of the remaining 20% outstanding arrears for revised pay and pension of the members, ex-MDCs, Council employees, pensioners, family pension holders. With this, the arrear revised pay has been fully cleared from the Council own funds during this financial year 25-26. The introduction of pension book for pensioners and family pension holders with instruction to have their pension book updated every half yearly and to appear before the pension disbursing authority at least once a year, that is during the month of June and December. Number four, inauguration of the office building of Taxation Department, Clearly Brand, with a full project staff. Number five, this one notification of the indigenous class within the Dainty Hill and North District who are eligible for scheduled tribe status. Number six, with regard to the centrally sponsored scheme, it may be mentioned here that during the current financial year 2025-26, rupees 3 crore 50 lakhs only is received from Digital India Land Record and Modernization Program. And from that and Antagiran, the Council could implement food aid scheme projects in different localities of both East and West Jainte Hills, such as road, drinking well, water tank, fencing, public toilet, shed, check dam, playground, food park, school building, community hall, etc. during this fiscal year 25-26. Further, I would like to apprise the House on the legislation undertaken by this Council. For the information of all the honorable members of the August House, I would like to inform that the drafting of the district fund rules of Jainte Hill Autonomous District Council is completed and hopefully it can be placed in the summer session to be held in the month of July after getting the prior approval of the governor. Digitalization of all forest land areas under the jurisdiction of the district council. Forest new working scheme for 5 years with effect from 2026 to 2027. The Jainte Hill Autonomous District Service Rule 1981 is in the process of re-examination. In conclusion, on behalf of the Executive Committee, I would like to say that this project is not just a financial statement, but a roadmap for progress and prosperity. So I therefore request all the honorable members of this August House for their cooperation and support in implementing this project successfully for the benefit of our people. This Executive Committee also expressed its desire to have a close and cordial relation with the government in all spheres of activities in implementation of our programs and policies in the right direction for the development and prosperity of the people of Jainte Hill. The proposed budget estimate for fiscal year 2026 is now placed for deliberation of the House. With these few words, Councilman Sir, I resume the seat.